Alpine Pat here, Sunday, March 3rd. What a strange winter we have had. Mild temps, lack of natural snow, lack of snow at Alpine Valley? No way. Not with, all we have to do is flex our muscles with our snowmaking capabilities and lay a blanket of white so quickly. Where other resorts in southern Wisconsin struggled this season, Alpine Valley has shined. I can't, if you want snow, this is where the place to go, and we're into March and we're looking good. But as the season is winding down and coming to an end, it's kind of bittersweet, in my eyes. But I tell you, it takes a lot of people, a lot of departments, a lot of people to run a resort like this, from ticket office to guest services to pro shop to rentals to lift operations to maintenance to ski patrol. It takes everybody to make this thing hum like a well-oiled machine. But it's just I don't know. I wish we could go a couple more weeks. I wanted to get to St. Pat's Day, but it doesn't look like it. But I want anybody that came out this year to ski and snowboard, thank you from all departments. But I tell you, I got a group of my best co-worker friends here, and and they would like to say thank you also. So let's give a big thank you and a booyah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Booyah!